This is the production process of Chungmu Towel, which is always developing and creating high-quality products. Preparation work is conducted through a process of winding yarn around a beam to put yarn into a weaving machine. It is a very precise process of rotating a fixed beam and finally moving and winding a bundle of threads onto it. Remaining cones are reused through a winder process in an effort to reduce costs and carbon emissions. Weaving work is a key process of towel manufacturing. It's all done in a machine, but it is only possible if it is accompanied by very sophisticated and difficult machine settings that don't allow for any mistakes. Dyeing is a very tricky task that requires care so that the cotton is not stressed. Chungmu Towel is a unique patented technology that minimizes the time the cotton comes into contact with the dye and reduces the amount of dye used to complete the eco-friendly dyeing process. I am confident that the finished quality of Chungmu Towel is the best in Korea. Finished quality is so important that it is the difference between luxury goods and imitation goods, and it can be said that sewing work determines the finished quality during the towel production process. For customers who request secondary processing, Chungmu Towel has a digital and fully automatic embroidering machine, and it applies a differentiated design to towels. Afterwards, packaging work is thoroughly prepared to provide customers the best quality products. Today, Chungmu Towel takes one step further towards being first class.